Hi guys, to the Pop Movies 1060 from Space Jam: A New Legacy, and this is Bugs Bunny. As you can see in the back, I have some more pops from this set. Here is the side of the box and here's the back. We have LeBron James, Bugs Bunny, Lola Bunny, and Daffy Duck as Coach. And I've bought all of these pops, which I'll be reviewing on my channel. But if you check over here, it looks like they added more pops to the set. And I've ordered these as well. And all of the ones you see in the back, I've opened on my channel. So let's get Bugs Bunny opened up. This is possibly my favorite pop just because I watched a lot of Bugs Bunny cartoons growing up. And for basketball players, I don't watch basketball that often, so I don't know them super well. But once I see the movie, I'm pretty sure I'll like all of the pops in this set. And McDonald's is getting these Happy Meal toys as well. So I'll compare these with Happy Meal toys most likely. So let me know if you want to see that in the comments down below. And sorry for that shaky camera for a second. We can move the head all the way around. I will show this up close as well. An interesting thing is that we just see the silver color on this basketball. In the LeBron James and White Mamba Funko Pop, we had a texture as well on the ball. We have our Toon Squad jersey. Player number 1. And let me show this up close. We might have a little defect over here, but it's okay. So here is Bugs Bunny. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because as you can see, I make Funko Pop videos all the time. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and be sure to have an amazing day.